Let's get in. 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off. This is qualification match number 113 on Croft field number 1. Over on the Red Alliance side, the Robo Warriors are launching those artifacts from the near launch zone. They are joined by the Firewires for the Blue Alliance. Back in that far launch zone, we have two teams neither launching at the moment, but that is the Metal Benders and the Robo Cats.
Pick up your controller.
As we are about to enter that driver control period, we are at a 5-point game. This is a close game,
3,
everybody. Anyone
2,
can take this win
1.
with just a few artifacts. And we are off. Blue Alliance has decided, Firewires has decided to open up that gate and get it so they can cycle those artifacts, as the Red Alliance is trying to fill up theirs so they can do the same. That is done very quickly by the Robo Warriors for the Red Alliance, who cycle it as both blue teams collect some artifacts so that they are able to fill up theirs as well. Launching from afar for the Red Alliance is the Metal Benders. They are picking up from their human player and going immediately to that far launch zone, which is currently uncontested, as they try to fill up that ramp, which is emptied by their teammates, the Robo Warriors. For the Blue Alliance, RoboCats are lining up. They appear to have a little bit of a jam as they prepare to launch those artifacts, while their teammate in the far corner, the Fireflies, is headed up to do their part to help them. With their jam cleared, the RoboCats are back in the game, firing those artifacts and scoring 2 for 2. With about 30 seconds left in match play, they have to soon decide what they're going to do, as they are about to enter endgame. Are they going to go for those pattern points, or will they not? It appears as if the Blue Alliance has at least one pattern that is in sync, while the Red Alliance is just trying to fill up that ramp with the time left. They're headed to park as we conclude qualification match number 113 here on Croft field number 1.
Alliance red. 149 for Red Alliance in match 113.